Hey, Bobby. Kill Bobby, bro. Kill fucking Bobby. Fuck you. Look, we can't kill him in real life, so kill him now.
What are we doing? We're rushing?
Come on, yeah.
And a pitcher. All right, team's ready. 3, 2, 1, go!
You want to go that way?
There is too many people. If I can pass it.
If you want, yeah. Get the car,
Do the same thing I did the last
pop
time.
shots,
Ready!
and then move yourself to
Tuck
the
in,
left.
tuck in.
And starts at 3, 2, 1, go, go, go!
No problem.
Nothing.
All right.
Yeah, you hear that full auto?
Yeah, I like that.
It's only semi.
Oh no, it's more traditional tribes.
Traditional tribes. Streets here?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, we're good.
Now, if your code name is Fog.
One in house, one in house. Call it. Two in house, two in house. Call it.
All right.
Watch out, streets.
One to the left of the house, left of the house, left of the house.
Left side house, left side house. Jumping down.
Don't know. Clear.
Yeah, I
Get it on video.
Five left. One house. One right.
Corner left, corner left. One down, corner left. Who's heading that house, man? Who's in the house?
Middle down.
All right, I'm holding out. Cover right there. Shoot that house. Shoot that back corner.
Drop the mag!
Just keep your rifle up, man. Throw up. Just don't worry about your face. Oh, that's for you. There you go, Marco. Play your game.
Oof.
Game's still going. He got you.
You're done. You're done.
Whatever.
Yeah, I saw that. He got you, then you shot. It's alright. You're good. You ran too fast, dude.
Whoa! Hit! Nice.
Right side horse?
Yeah, I don't have that much mag. I have one mag and like half, maybe like fucking 10 shots.
I have 40, 70 rounds.
Okay.
Make it count.
Where are we going?
I just gave Mike a mag.
BT?
I guess bump off BT.
Just watch my left over here.
Make a line. If you see an opening, take it. I'm gonna go with you guys. Let's run that right side hard.
Full auto.
Nice shot, bro. Right off the break.
Something that annoyed me.
Hey, you want to play field?
Sure. Yeah, I'll play field. Oh, God. Oh, dude, I'm beat. I don't know.
Changing.
Thanks for going.
Hey, nice blind shooting there.
Hey, I got some tweezers if you want to take out the view.
You're dead.
Wait, son.
That's what it's
Game
like.
is still on, game is still on.
That's what a Polar Star feels like.
Oh, that shit hurt.
What?
I call that bank, bro.
Is he friendly? Oh. Guess what? You called back, but I shot. Who wins?
Hey, nice shot, man. You got me you got me right here.
You took too long to come out. Anybody there?
Yeah, in the corner.
Right here, up ahead? In front of us? Tuck him in. Somebody's running left! Somebody on the left, watch out, somebody on the left. Whoa! Come out!
All of a sudden? I'm gonna start shooting left, right? Well, that's Guns's job. Just dig in. I'm gonna break off to the left, you're gonna break off to the right.
Ready? Right by the corner of the house on the right. Corner of the house. Really, again? Bang!
Hit,
Oh.
hit.
Yeah, you hit me.
I was calling it out already, but good thing though.
No, no, not game. Not game.
Hey,
That's game.
see you.